Okay, so what we're trying to do is restore this old Batman talking alarm clock. Alright. Back off here. Now what was normally in here before was this voice box. This was by Azen. And you know, the old toys where you would, you know, like the old dolls, you'd pull the string and then you'd hear a voice playback. It was these type of boxes that were inside those dolls, and toys similar to that. What it had on the inside was a record. There's a record here, and this is your record player needle right here. And this motor inside here, this motor would spin, and it would turn the belt, which would in turn turn the record, and would play out the speaker right here. And let me show you. I'll just attach the two pieces to the battery and play it for you. So yeah. So yeah, I had to put a new motor in here and everything. So I ordered one, put the new motor in, but it just plays the record way too fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a microchip instead. So I'll restore it with a microchip. I've already went and recorded the audio and slowed it down on the computer, and then just re-recorded it to this microchip here. And we're going to connect this up and put it in the clock, and it's gonna work something like this. So, yeah, this is actually for a recordable greeting card. I just took this and I'll just wire it differently. And we'll see what we can do here. So what I need to do is solder a wire to this contact as well as this one. That'll be the first thing we do. Alright, so I got some wires here, and what we're going to do is we're going to hook up here. That circuit goes through the clock and is hooked up to the alarm, and then it goes through this switch right here. Right now the switch is open, but then this wire here, now this used to encase a C battery, which I was showing you earlier. But we're gonna hook the other end of the circuit up to here, so it goes through this wire, this switch, through the alarm, and into our voice chip. Okay. So I just want to wait for the soldering iron to warm up here. Okay, so we're going to solder on our first wire. Okay, get a little more solder on there. attached. Now, we'll hook the black wire to the other end of the circuit. There we are. Now I think the more difficult part is going to be hooking up the microchip. So we're going to have to get one end soldered here. See if we can get these to solder down and stay there. That's not going to work either. Darn it. Okay. I have to try something else then. So if I can't get the solder to stick, alright, let me unplug the soldering iron. Get out of the way. So we could try using the little alligator clips instead. Put one here. Like that. We'll clip the other one on this other contact right here. And we'll put the white wire on this contact. Alright. Let me zoom this out here. Okay. Alright, so let me turn the circuit on here. And we'll see if we can adjust the alarm so it makes this thing go off. Okay. Turn in the alarm hand. Alright, get ready. Here we go. Success. Alright, now we just put all this inside without incident. We'll have it made, won't we? Alright, all I gotta do is put the screws back in, and we're all set. Well, thanks for watching.